Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Durango RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT, STD, black leather suede bucket seats, tires, 265/50 AW20 BSW SLRR, STD, full-size spare tire, octane red pearl coat, quick order package 22S included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches high-gloss black aluminum, WHB, second row fold tumble captain chairs included, second row mini console with cup holders, second row seat mounted inboard armrests, 6-passenger seating, third row floor mat and mini console and black top package included, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 inches high-gloss black aluminum.